This is Travis Rodgers with the RecordLinc Network. I have the honor of meeting and talking with Dr. Dragon. He's one of the founders of Centrix. He is the founder of Centrix,
That's right.
one of the icons in the dental industry.
Well, I don't know about that.
And we want to talk for just a minute about some of the products that you've developed and how you've changed millions of lives in the dental industry. So take me through kind of your...
I hope for the better. But I started the company back when composites were in their infancy, back in 1967-68. And the first composite that was a good composite that revolutionized the dental industry was the Adaptic by Johnson & Johnson. They came up with a product that was superior to what we were using in the anterior teeth. Now, we used to use a silicate cement which would wash out very quickly. But this was a composite resin that was very durable and strong. The problem was that we used to put it in with a spatula, and the spatula would capture air in the bottom of the tooth because we're pushing it in from the top. So I decided that I was going to make something that would inject the composite from the bottom up, eliminating the voids, and therefore creating a better composite, a better filling with fewer voids. And that's what started the company. We started with a simple syringe. It was metal at the time. This happens to be a plastic syringe, but it was a metal syringe. And over the years, we've developed different products. As the composite resins became heavier and heavier, we needed something that was going to be able to give you a little bit of a mechanical advantage. So we came up with the basic gun syringe that extrudes it. And over the years, this has become the way that all composites are now placed by syringing. And it's a really great feeling to know that these syringes and
Your inventions.
fill the time. It's quite a remarkable thing to feel that maybe I made a little impact on some of the dentistry in the world. And over the years, we did different things too. For instance, we revolutionized, I think, the brush industry for dentistry, because before we came up with the bend-a-brush, which this happens to be a twin, one on each side. Yeah. But we came up with the first brush when all the composite dealers were selling small brushes that you had to fit into a handle. And the handle sometimes was too big for the brush or was too small for the brush. So you never knew which brush you had that would fit in and it would fall out. So we decided, well, we tried to make different devices to pick up the little brushes, and finally said, what are we doing? Let's just make a brush that you could throw away. So we started making bend-a-brushes about 1980, I think. 1980 maybe, yeah. Maybe 89. I'm getting old, so I can't remember everything.
No,
but we did revolutionize that, because now nobody uses a little brush. We all use the regular brush, and then we didn't develop this. This was actually developed in Sweden, and it was further developed by Microbrush. But we make these too, and it's a little piece of flock at the end, which dentists use to pick up minor, very tiny portions of bonding agent to place on the tooth. And it's a real great device.
That's amazing. So let's talk about this.
Well, I didn't
item
make
here.
this. I didn't make this. This is a device that is made by, I forget
Another
which.
manufacturer, but
And
one of
it's
one of
Swiss.
the products that you
It's
carry.
Swiss. It's a product that we carry because it fits in with the composites that are sold in these bulk syringes. And basically, we have a wonderful temporary crown and bridge material called accent. What do we call that? What's the crown and bridge material? The temporary. No, temporary bridge material.
temporary bridge too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you know, what do you expect? I'm 83 years
No,
old.
that's good. I
I
appreciate
can't remember
it.
everything.
No, that's great. Hey, well, Dr. Drag, I really appreciate your time, and it's again my honor to talk with you
Well, it's
and
my honor
learn
to
about these products. that
share a
you've done,
little
and
bit with you,
thank
too.
you for all the millions of lives that you've touched from the
Well, I
products that you've
hope I haven't
developed.
touched them too hard.
Thank you, Dr. Dragon. Appreciate it.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.